how to set up Manychat on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Manychat on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to manychat.com and you will be redirected to this type of page. After that, click the Get Started button on the left side. Then follow the prompts to connect to your Facebook account. This is a required step to grant certain permissions via your Facebook page to build automation. Once you sign up with Facebook on ManyChat, you will be on this page. Here, choose Instagram from the list of channels. After that, click the Go to Instagram button and a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. In the pop-up window, log into Instagram to set up a few permissions. Choose the right Instagram account to complete the integration. After that, it will ask you some question regarding your company or any platform you choose. Just answer all the questions one by one. Once you gave all the answers, it will congratulate you by saying your account is connected to ManyChat, and that's it. So that's basically how you can set up ManyChat on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.